Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video of Quick Guide.
In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can reset or recover your Hotmail account's password. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now, to reset your Hotmail account's password, firstly open your Google search and type in Hotmail login and make a search. You will now arrive on the official page of Hotmail. Now click on Sign In button on the top right corner of the screen. Enter your email address and click on Next. On the next page, click on Forgot Password. Choose how would you like to get your security code to verify your identity. To verify either this is your email address or not, complete the hidden part and click on Send Code to receive your code. Enter the code and click on Next. It will take you to the page where you can reset your password. Enter your password, confirm your password by re-entering it and click on Next. Your password has now been successfully changed. This is how you can reset your Hotmail account's password. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching.